we're not quite finished with the intensive pool clinic yet, but I have 3 quick questions for you, if you don't mind.
Okay.
As far as the content of the course, do you think it's well put together and that you learn things that will help you in your pool journey?
Extremely put together, and the instructors are fabulous.
That was going to be my next question. On the instructors, do you feel that they were, and there are, let me mention the instructors right quick. We have Keith Watley, master instructor from South Carolina, Chris Reiser, advanced instructor from Wilmington, North Carolina, and Michael Craig, advanced instructor from Charleston. So we have them all over, but we're in Orange Park, Florida today. So in general, do you feel like the instructors were knowledgeable, able to communicate, able to answer your questions, and in general professional?
Very professional. And I mean, they would help me a lot just in the 2 areas. It's amazing how much.
Well, it really is like drinking from the fire hose. Last question on value. Do you believe that you've received a good value for your money?
I think I got more than value for my money.
And that's what we normally hear. Thank you, Dave, for having the interview with me.